Sebastian.bricks back here today with a new Lego video. And no, this is not a city update. This is actually going to show you guys that the remake, if I can call it that, of my Lego room, because I'm sick of the organizing system I have now, like these boxes here from the grocery store. So I'm going to take down the 3 shelves, either along the 3 over here or the 3 on the back wall. I haven't decided which of them I'm going to take down, but the plan right now is that I'm going to have 3 shelves on the back wall there, up until the corner there, so I can use the space more efficiently. And then I'm going to have a kind of a bench over here with all the cabinets and such. And I'm also going to put the organizing drawer sections, I think they're called, over there, on top of the new drawers that are coming in the mail tomorrow. So today's currently the May 26th, and tomorrow it will be the 22nd, so probably shoot the next clip then, or I'll probably put in a picture of the room when I've taken down the 3 shelves that I'm going to have to take down. So continue watching and enjoy. So it's currently Thursday, the 27th of March, 23:45 p.m. So I took down 3 of the shelvings I had over here and put in the new organizing system. And I got these shelves in the back, on the back wall, with all my Lego instructions up on top. Yeah, so there's not really too much to show. I could of course walk over here. You can see I have the vacuum cleaner. It's really bad lighting back here, but I have a few boxes of just stuff. Like this is just like vintage Lego, and the 2 boxes next to it is like promotions from Lego and other toy stores and such. And over there you can see my MacBook Pro and the top of the drawer units. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. So I started getting the bricks placed, and I used some of the shelves from the shelves I have over there. I used some of them here, and I've started placing bricks in the drawers. As you can see, I have my, for example, 1x, 1x2, 1x3, 1x4, 1x6, yeah, and so on. And down on the bottom I have the corner brick, and next to it I have my 2x bricks and some 4x bricks, and I'm starting on my plates. And over there, I haven't gotten around to labeling all of them yet. And I'm just about to head to bed, but I got a bit done today as well. I've been able to fill out this entire drawer section. I think that was today or last night, sometime around there, and I put all my boxes into the shelving unit, and I cleaned off the Lego city table.